In this video, we're diving into how you can use the tune-up tools built into TotalAV Antivirus to breathe new life into a sluggish computer. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you keep your devices running smoothly and avoid common tech headaches. Do you ever notice your PC taking forever to boot up or freezing when you try to launch apps? It's really a frustrating feeling, but you're not alone. Over time, unused programs, leftover files, and hidden processes bog down even modern machines. Now, the good news is that you don't need to be a tech genius to fix it. TotalAV bundles a suite of tune-up tools that can clean out clutter and optimize your system in a few simple steps. So in this guide, I'll share 5 practical tricks that'll help you make the most of these tools. Why PC tune-up matters. Before we jump into the tricks, let's talk about why tuning up your computer is important. Your computer's performance declines over time because it accumulates temporary files, duplicate downloads, unused applications, and fragments of outdated registry entries. These leftovers steal storage space and compete for resources. A tune-up isn't just about freeing up disk space. It's also about making your machine more responsive and secure. By cleaning up your system regularly, you reduce the risk of crashes, shorten boot times, and even discover hidden malware masquerading as legitimate apps. What you'll learn. So by the end of this video, you'll know how to use TotalAV's Smart Scan to identify the clutter slowing down your PC. Manage which programs run when your computer starts up. Remove stubborn applications completely. Dive into deeper optimization tasks like registry and memory fixes. Use advanced features like LiveBoost to balance performance and power consumption. All right, let's jump right in. Trick number 1, run a Smart Scan to identify junk and duplicates. One of the easiest ways to improve your PC's speed is to tackle obvious clutter. TotalAV's Smart Scan combines several mini scans into one quick process. Checks for junk files, duplicate documents, and other unnecessary data. Here's how to use it. Step-by-step guide. Open up TotalAV. So after signing up for TotalAV by using the link down in the description where you can get some of the best pricing possible, after you log into your TotalAV dashboard, just click on the Smart Scan button. The scan will start automatically. Review the results. The report is broken into categories. You'll see how many megabytes of cached files, cookies, temporary system files, and duplicate files you have. It also alerts you if there are malicious programs hiding in your system. Select what to delete. Don't just hit delete all blindly. Expand each category and uncheck anything that you might need later. For example, if you're working on a project in a temporary folder, then you may want to keep those files. Cleanup. Once you're comfortable, click the button to remove the selected files. You'll be surprised at how much space you free up. Why this works. Cleaning out junk has an immediate impact because it reduces the workload on your hard drive. Duplicate files often occur when you download the same attachment multiple times, or save different versions of a document in various places. Removing them helps you stay organized and speed up file searches. Now, friendly reminder, don't expect your computer to perform like a brand new machine after a single scan. Think of smart scanning as brushing your teeth. It's something you should do regularly. I recommend running this scan every month or whenever your computer feels sluggish. Trick 2, tame your startup programs. So if your PC takes forever to reboot, it's often because dozens of apps trying to load at startup. Many programs, like chat clients, game launchers, or printer utilities, add themselves to the boot sequence without asking. TotalAV's Startup Manager makes it easy to see what's running and disable unnecessary items. Step-by-step guide. So navigate to Startup Manager. In TotalAV, go to the System Tune-Up section and select Startup Programs. Review the list. Each entry shows the program name and its impact on startup time, often labeled high, medium, or low. Disable unneeded programs. Turn off anything that you don't need right away. For example, do you really need your music player to launch every time you boot? Probably not. I know I don't. Click the toggle to disable it. Keep essential items. Now, some programs should stay enabled, like your antivirus, backup software, or cloud sync tool. These keep your system safe and your data current. Practical tips. Take your time to research unfamiliar names before disabling them. A quick web search will help you decide whether an app is necessary or not. You can always re-enable a program later if you notice that you do need it. Reducing startup items can shave off minutes from your boot time and make your desktop ready sooner. Trick 3. Uninstall unwanted applications completely. Unused programs take up space and may run background processes that consume memory. Windows' built-in uninstaller sometimes leaves behind leftover files and registry entries. TotalAV TotalAV's application uninstaller goes deeper, making sure you remove everything associated with the program. Step-by-step guide. So, open up the uninstaller. In the tune-up section, select Application Uninstaller and choose a program. You'll see a list of installed software with details like size and installation date. Select the app that you want to remove. Uninstall. Click the Uninstall button. TotalAV will run the program's built-in uninstaller and then scan for remnants. It identifies leftover files and registry entries that the default uninstaller often misses. Confirm removal. Decide if you want to delete the leftover files. In most cases, it's safe and recommended. Why this matters. Removing programs completely frees up more space than you might expect. Old trial software, duplicate video players, and rarely used tools can accumulate over time. Clearing them out not only saves space, but it also reduces security risks, since outdated software can be exploited by attackers. Bonus tip, check for unknown programs. Sometimes malware disguises itself as legitimate software. If you see something unfamiliar that you didn't intentionally install, research it and uninstall it if it's suspicious. Trick 4, dive deeper with ActiveCare and deep cleaning tasks. Once you've done the basics, there are deeper optimizations you can perform. TotalAV includes advanced tasks such as cleaning the Windows registry, optimizing memory, defragmenting your drive, and clearing browser data. Now, these aren't as obvious as junk removal, but they can make a noticeable difference over time. ActiveCare is a set of automated tasks that run on a schedule to keep your system tidy without manual effort. Here's what it does. Clean and repair registry issues. The Windows registry is like a database of your system settings. Over time, it becomes cluttered with entries from uninstalled software and outdated drivers. ActiveCare scans for broken links and repairs them, which can reduce errors and improve stability. Eliminate unnecessary startup programs. If you skipped the manual startup manager, ActiveCare can disable common items automatically. Defragment system drive. On older spinning drives, defragmentation reorganizes data so that files are stored in contiguous blocks. This speeds up read and write times. Note, if you're using a solid-state drive like an SSD, skip defragmentation because it can reduce the drive's lifespan. Remove internet and Windows junk files. It clears browser caches, logs files, and temporary system files. Automatically clear browser privacy data. You can schedule it to remove cookies and browsing history on a regular basis for privacy. Deep clean tasks beyond ActiveCare. TotalAV offers specialized tasks you can run manually. Net booster and internet cleanup. These adjust network settings and clear out digital clutter that may slow down your connection. Registry cleanup. A more thorough registry scan than ActiveCare's quick fix. Security optimizer. This scans for potential security issues like outdated software. Program accelerator. This reorganizes program files to improve performance, similar to defragmentation but targeted at applications. Memory mechanic. This frees up RAM by closing background tasks and optimizing memory usage. How to run these tasks. Go to the System Tune-Up section. Select a task from the list. For example, registry cleanup. Click Start. Wait for the process to finish. It may take a few minutes depending on the size of your registry or drive. Review the report and apply the suggested fixes. Advice for safe use. Now, while these tools are powerful, they should be used thoughtfully. Creating a system restore point before modifying the registry or performing deep optimizations is a good safety net. This way, if something does go wrong, you can roll your system back to a working state. Trick 5, boost performance with LiveBoost features. TotalAV's tune-up suite includes LiveBoost, a set of tools designed to improve real-time performance. Unlike cleaning tasks, LiveBoost runs in the background and adjusts system settings on the fly. Components of LiveBoost. OptiCore. This prioritizes active applications, ensuring that the program you're using gets the resources it needs. This is useful when you have multiple apps open, but you want the one in focus to run smoothly. RAMJet. This frees up memory by intelligently closing processes that aren't needed. It's especially helpful if you frequently multitask with many apps and browser tabs. Accelerate. This helps optimize how data is written to disk, reducing wear and improving performance. It's primarily beneficial for spinning hard drives. PowerSense. This balances power usage and performance. It switches between high performance and power saving modes depending on what you're doing. This is great for laptops, helping you get more battery life without sacrificing speed. How to use LiveBoost. Navigate to the LiveBoost section within TotalAV. Enable the modules that you want to use. They'll run automatically in the background. Monitor your system's responsiveness. If you notice slower performance or high resource usage, adjust the settings. Not all systems need every module turned on. When to use LiveBoost. LiveBoost is most helpful on older PCs or laptops with limited memory. If you're already running a modern machine with plenty of RAM and an SSD, you might not need or see a dramatic improvement. Still, features like PowerSense can extend your battery life. Extra tips and consideration. Schedule regular maintenance. Set a reminder to run SmartScan and ActiveCare tasks monthly. Consistent maintenance prevents clutter from building up and keeps your system clean. Be cautious with registry edits. The registry is critical to Windows. Now, although TotalAV's tools are designed to be safe, avoid manually editing registry values unless you're sure about what you're doing. Update your software. Keep your operating system, drivers, and applications updated to ensure that you have the latest performance improvements and security patches. TotalAV's Security Optimizer can help you spot outdated programs, combined with good habits. No tune-up tool can compensate for poor user habits. Avoid installing random software, delete old downloads, and organize files into folders. A clean digital environment makes maintenance easier. Consider hardware upgrades. If you've tried all the above and you still face sluggish performance, it might be time for a hardware upgrade. Adding more RAM, switching to an SSD, or replacing an aging CPU can transform your experience. Tune-up tools can only do so much if the underlying hardware is outdated. So TotalAV's Tune-Up Suite offers a comprehensive set of tools to clean and optimize your computer. By running smart scans, managing startup programs, uninstalling unwanted software, diving into deeper maintenance tasks, and leveraging LiveBoost features, you can make a noticeable difference in your PC's performance without being an expert. Now remember, the goal isn't to chase arbitrary benchmarks. It's to make your daily computing smoother and less frustrating. Think of these tune-up tasks as regular housekeeping. A little effort now saves you from major headaches later. So if you want to get started with TotalAV, we've got a link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we cover everything from VPNs and cybersecurity to how to stay safe online and detailed product comparisons. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.